Welcome to Fries and How to Eat Them 101. Hello, I'm your host, Womper1. Not only will you learn how to eat fries, you'll learn how to devour them the way they're made to be devoured. So without further ado, welcome to our unscheduled content. Enjoy! First off, you must have a thing of fries with you. They can be dressed, they can be just regular, seasoned. However you have your fries, they must be in fry form. They can be waffle, shoelace, like whatever shapes that you need to eat your fries, that's the way we're gonna do it, because fries are meant to be fries. Now, before we get off topic, Webster's Dictionary defines French fries as a strip of potato typically cooked by being fried in a deep fat, usually plural. The first known use of French fries is in 1886. Wow, that means the fries that you're eating are super old. But don't worry, we're gonna eat these fries and you're gonna enjoy them. This is going to be one of those circumstances where size really matters. There's a small, there's a medium, and there's a large fry. And if you're anything like me, you're going to get a large fry, assuming you have the most fries you can possibly fit into a container. Depending on the container is what you're going to do. Now, if it's like a McDonald's container, that's perfect. Now, it doesn't have to be a McDonald's container. It can be shaped like one. But the cool part is you can squeeze the ends and dump them into your mouth hands-free. That's right, it's that easy. It's hands-free, but with your hands. But what I'm really saying is your fingers don't have to touch the salt. And you're gonna thank me later when you're eating fries going down the road at Mach 20. Sometimes if you get the ketchup packets, you tear a little piece off and you squirt a little in your mouth. That wasn't me cracking up. It was just me imitating the sounds of the ketchup packet. Now, if you're just gonna eat the fries regularly, I would just once you get them out of the bag or however you cook them out of the oven, you just take them once they're almost cool enough and you put one in your mouth and you eat it. Sometimes you get some barbecue sauce and you just dip it in there, or sometimes you get them covered in seasonings and nacho cheese and stuff like that. That's what makes the fries wholesome and delicious. Now that you've finished this video, you now have the confidence and know-how to devour and enjoy a crispy meal of French fries. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this content. The next tutorial we're going to do is how to eat chicken wings. No, better yet, how to eat chicken nuggets. I'll see you on the next video when we talk about the great wonders and all the shapes and sizes that chicken nuggets come in and how they are amazing. See you then.